In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to create triggers in ManyChat step by step. Whether you're just getting started with ManyChat or looking to optimize your existing chatbot, knowing how to set up triggers is crucial for automation and enhancing user interactions. So let's dive right in to simplify this process for you. First, you'll want to start by logging into your ManyChat dashboard. Once you're in, head over to the Home tab. This is your main control panel where you'll find all the essential features of ManyChat at your disposal. Once there, you'll want to click on the Automation section. Automation, as the name suggests, is where you'll craft automated sequences that can run on autopilot, making your life much easier. Now look for the option that says New Automation. You'll find this usually highlighted or positioned conveniently for users to access. Once you click on it, you may see multiple options, but our focus for this tutorial is to start from scratch. So go ahead and click on Start from Scratch. This approach allows you full control over the automation process, giving you the flexibility to customize it according to your needs. After selecting to start from scratch, you'll be taken to a new interface where you can build your automation flow. To begin, click on the plus sign or button. This is typically represented by a plus icon that indicates adding a new element to your workflow. What you're doing here is adding the essential first building block of your automation sequence. Next, you'll need to click on Trigger. In ManyChat, a trigger is what it sounds like. It starts the automation sequence based on specific user actions or events. Once you click to add a trigger, you're presented with several options, such as user actions or interactions. Here, you have the flexibility to choose what kind of trigger you want to set up. For instance, you might want your automation to initiate when a user sends a message. This could be ideal for situations where you want to send an automated reply or engage further with the user. Alternatively, you could set up a trigger when a user clicks a link. This could be particularly useful if you're directing visitors to certain content and wish to follow up automatically once they engage with your link. Another option is to set a trigger when a user scans a QR code. This might be perfect for in-person events or physical marketing materials aimed at driving traffic to your bot. So, there you have it. These are the essential steps to create triggers in ManyChat. By setting them up effectively, you're positioning your chatbot for improved engagement and efficiency. Remember, the key to making the most out of ManyChat is continuous experimentation and adjustment according to your audience's needs. Thanks for watching, and happy automating!